These are therapeutic puppets. They are used to improve communication skills. And Mikhail, this is your puppet. Can you put it in your hand?
Yes. And the head down. Okay?
Okay. Come here on the table.
Put that videos with the garbage because heads will going to be down. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Put your hand like this. Right hand like mom. Okay. And now here we put the doll. Put one finger inside. Yes. Perfect. Now it's my turn. Mikhail.
Oh, wait. Heads down.
Do you want to make a puppet show?
No.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kiki.
All right. Can you take your head up?
Yes. My head is moving.
What animal are you?
A green duck.
A green duck. I'm a clown, a yellow one. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ready? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Kiki.
Oh, you're a kitty? What animal are you?
I'm a green duck.
Little duck. Are you angry?
No.
Are you?
I'm always happy.
You're always happy. That's so nice because I'm a yellow clown. And
I like clowns.
can we be friends?
Yes.
Okay, shake your hand. Do you want to play together?
Yes.
Do you want to run after me?
Yes.
Oh, now it's my turn. You run.
You can't catch me. I even can fly.
Can you finish the puppet show? Let's go up
No.
and say hello to the audience. No? You want more? Are you hungry?
Yes.
What do you like to eat, little duck?
Clowns. But blue clowns.
Ah, so you're not gonna eat me?
Yes. Because you want to be a clown.
Okay. Do you go to school?
I go to clown school.
Do you want to be a clown when you grow up?
Yes.
That's so cool. We will both be clowns.
Yes.
Do you like your clown schools?
Yes.
Well,
I have 10 of them.
10 clowns in your class? Do you have a teacher?
Yes.
What's the name of your teacher?
Clown.
Clowny teacher?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say bye-bye.